Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove game files from your Steam tool. For all of these games, the first thing I want you to do is just open up your file explorer and then click here on local disk C, okay? So here I want you to click on program files x86 and then I want you to locate Steam. So let's go ahead and scroll down until we find Steam. So here we go, Steam is right here, click on it. And then I want you to open the config folder, okay? And you'll see a bunch of files, just ignore all of these. And this is what we're interested in, the STUI file. Now, in this folder, you will find different files. I want you to delete all of them, just highlight all of them, and then right-click and delete. I've already deleted them, and now everything works fine. Okay, that's all you have to do, really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.